What's going on, suckers? Happy Easter. Welcome back to another episode of Robbie Sucks. So today, special treat, I'm actually with my father. If you remember a while back, he had some medical things going on, but he's still around, he's still kicking. Happy to have him here, happy to spend the holiday with him. But his car is having a little bit of an issue. We seem to have a brake problem. It's having a hard time stopping. So we're going to take a look at it today and see if we can't find the culprit. Check it out. So, suckers, he seems to think that we may have a rear drum leaking in the back. The boost is empty up here. Let's see if we can get a shot at it. Yeah, that's bone dry. So what that tells me with this booster being dry, as you see here, is that we need to find a wet spot. We need to find a leak. What do you think? Think it's in the drum?
Well, it's going to be, what I would do is jack up the side and look at around the drum, around the front, and see if there's any leak in that hose. The hose is let go first.
Sound advice from the old man. Yeah. Well, if you can tell right there, boys and girls, looks like I found ourselves a brake leak. Right here. Now, all I have to do is figure out how I'm gonna fix it, because that rides in the frame. That sucks. So we found the leak. Unfortunately, we have to drop the fuel tank to get behind the rail that goes underneath the frame, because it's not a soft line, which we were hoping for. It's actually a hard line that runs the length of the car. So we honestly don't have the tools and the resources here to get this done today. But we're going to put the car back together, we're going to talk about a game plan, and hopefully we can come up with something. If we decide to tackle it ourselves, that'll be another episode. Until then, remember, it's okay to suck. Just don't give up. Like, subscribe. You guys know the deal. Keep coming back for more Robbie Sucks. I love you, and we'll see you next time. Say bye, Dad.
Hey, have a good one, people.